So today, day 2, we are in Chestertown and at the Main Street ice cream parlor, but they also serve food. So Carson's getting his chicken fingers, which are more like chicken thumbs. I'm having a turkey club, and then we're going to try the ice cream. So you don't want to watch us eat. So we're going to do this and we'll bring you back to the ice cream. Okay, so now that we've had lunch, now we're trying the hot fudge sundae. And we made sure we got a nice smiley face on it. This is just a small one here, and so let's give it a try.
Because it's hard ice cream and Brenda doesn't like hard ice cream.
No, it's because that's what they have here is hard ice cream. So
let me see how much cherries. I just want you. Okay, let's see if it's real hot fudge. Yes, it's real hot fudge.
and real whipped cream.
And real cherries.
The ice cream is hard ice cream, so it's scooped, but it's soft. So it's just the right temperature I like. But you don't have to fight to get your spoon into it.
It's melting now, so that's why it's soft.
Like I said, we just got the small, just a single scoop. There's probably almost as much hot fudge in here as there is ice cream.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Which is a good thing. At least I think so.
Hot fudge is really good.
So is the ice cream. I'm not sure what kind. I don't think they make it here. But
It's delicious.
we'll have to ask and see what kind of ice cream it is. Now that it's not as crowded, let me get you an idea of the inside of the place. This place has been around here for a very long time. We'll take you up by the counter in a minute and go through that way so you can get an idea. But this place is like a traditional ice cream stand. Thank you. When we step outside, we'll give you our thoughts on it.
Oh my god. Bye guys.
Just so you guys have been around for a long time. Not you all, but the place. All right, so that's our second stop at the Main Street Ice Cream Parlor here in Chesterton. And what do you think?
It was really good.
Now, was it as good as the last place? Or, well, this is hard ice cream and that was soft ice cream, so it's really unfair to compare the two. So this sets the standard for hard ice cream because this was good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.